Hi everyone. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. This is Melanie. Hi. Thanks for tuning in. I'm excited to do a TJMAXX haul with you guys, which I have never actually done, but I have been watching Leora's TJMAXX. I'll link her videos up above, but basically she shows you kind of on a weekly basis what she finds at TJMAXX, and I think I'm making a change. I think I'm making a life change. I think I'm gonna be dabbling in the TJMAXX finds because it's true savings. I can't wait to show you what I've got. So if you're interested in seeing some of the things that we picked up at TJMAXX, and Ben and I went together, so I've got some non-makeup goodies as well, then please keep watching. First things first that I have to show you, because Ben and I are probably most excited about this. It is a brand new cat bed. Brand new. So it's super plush and fluffy on the inside here, and it was $12.99, but I think that the cats are gonna have so much fun needing this, and they're gonna be happy little kitty campers in this. So before I get too far into this, I feel like I have to tell you why we went to TJMAXX to begin with. So I submitted a Ulta order at the end of June. I mentioned this in my other video, but I'll tell you again. I'm doing a no by July, and I was really sticking to that. I'd done very well, but I had submitted an Ulta order with this awesome little baggie that comes with 18 items. It had Juvia's Place, it had like Becca, it had some really great skincare, and I was planning on using some of those items for an upcoming giveaway. Really cute bag, and then the items I ordered to qualify to get the bag. So it had some fun MAC lipsticks, it had some Milani products, it had all kinds of sale stuff, basically an entire order of sale items. So I was super pumped to share that with you guys, but I ordered it over 2 weeks ago. After a week of not getting it, I had not gotten the we shipped your order email, and it just kind of was weird because Ulta orders usually come so quickly. I have one less than 5 miles from my house, so I sent the customer service, my tracking order, and told them I hadn't gotten anything that had shipped. It showed it shipped on their end, but we have nothing. So we've gone back and forth for about 5 days now in emails. So we've got a total of 9 emails, and they let me know that some of my items were out of stock. They first let me know that they would add my address. Apparently my apartment number was left off of the label, even though it was put on the order, and they let me know they were going to add the label and see if it would get there. And then it changed into, well, we'll ship you a new order. They were very kind and very apologetic, but now they're out of stock of 2 of the items that I wanted to order, and then also they're saying I can't get the free goodie bag of the 18 things, which is really the whole reason I ordered any of it, because I was kind of maximizing my dollar, looking for ways to look for fun things for you guys. So I let them know if they can't get me that, then to just cancel and refund my whole order, and it's just very disappointing. So I was in a super bummed out mood. I said, Ben, let's go to TJMAXX. I've been watching all these videos from Leora, and I just think I want to go see what they have and see if they have any goodies. So we did, and we ended up finding some very fun things. One of which is the new cat bed. So I cannot wait to give that to them. Next thing that is totally random and more of a homey kind of situation is I want to put this little potted plant. I think it looks, let's see if we can get it in here. I think it looks really realistic. I think it's adorable with the rope here. It was $14.99, but we're trying to add greenery into the house, and Ben's really big on real plants, but I think having a nice mixture of real and fake plants is a really good idea. So we got this one to put in there. And then I had Benny pick out another little one. I said, pick out one that looks the most realistic. So we picked this one here, and it was $6.99. I feel like, when I go to Kohl's, or when I look for these fake plants anywhere else, like the at-home store or really anywhere, they're like $20. So I think it's super cute. I think it looks realistic, and it's gonna bring a good vibe to the house. Now on to the makeup goodies, because this is super fun. Anytime I'm out and about, I always pick up some extra sunscreen. So this is the Copper Tone 30 Intense Defense. This is Ben wears 30, I wear 50, 75, or 100. Super fair. So we got a bottle of that for him. Okay, so the clearance section at TJMAXX, you guys just need to go. Just go, because trust me. I got the Laura Geller New York 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. It was $2. $2. It is in the shade Ruby Romance. Let me show you what it looks like. So it is absolutely gorgeous. It's kind of this pink corally color. And the thing I love about this TJ Maxx by us is none of these are open, tested, nothing. Oh my gosh. Ah. This is stunning. Wow. So it looks very similar to the shade that I have on here. This whole face that I have on is actually all Believe Beauty, so I'll tag that video up above. It is a full face of Believe Beauty from the Dollar Tree. This was $2, so I mean, I guess it's a pretty close match, but this lip look I kind of struggled with, so I would much prefer just a liquid lipstick to pop on than this situation that I had to work very hard for. I did actually pick up 2 Laura Geller items. So I was watching another YouTuber's video and I had heard them talk about how Laura Geller was really known for her highlighters. I don't hear a lot about Laura Geller. Truly, I just see her at TJ Maxx. I don't even see her like at Ulta or Sephora or anywhere. But they had mentioned the highlighters. And so I picked up the Laura Geller Life Glows On Illuminator Palette. It's a trio and it was $4.99, originally $32. So again, just really feeling like I'm maximizing my dollar here at Dollar General and at TJ Maxx. So here's kind of the holographic packaging there. And you can see it's got a teeny tiny mirror, but it's got these 3 highlighters. So we've got a kind of Opal Crush, French Fizz, and Diamond Dust. So I will swatch those for you. Ooh, okay, Laura Geller, I see you. Yep, these are gonna be good. I know it. There's the trio there. You can see that gold one's really popping, and then that Diamond Dust actually has more of a pink tone, I think, than even this Opal Crush is more of like a light white color. Some of that lipstick got in there, sorry. What are you gonna do? But yeah, I'm loving that. It does have a powdery feel, but I mean, it's a powder highlighter, so what do you want? What do you expect? Okay, next up, you're gonna laugh at me because I feel like this video has had a few cat items. I'm showing my true cat lady colors. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love candles. So Ben and I have kind of run out of we tend to pick up a ton of those 3-wick Bath and Body Works candles whenever they have sales, but obviously like with COVID, nobody's shopping as much anywhere, and I haven't been in a Bath and Body Works in ages, it feels like. So when we do go to a store, I try to pick up a candle just so the apartment smells nice, but this one is so cute. It says Cat Mom. I know it's super dorky, but I know Kashi will say, hey, like, love that. Any of you guys that have cats, please comment down below and tell me your cat's name. But it is a Sand and Paws inspired at Dog Beach on the California coast. And it's pineapple coconut. It is a soy wax blend. But pineapple coconut is one of my favorite drinks to have with a little vodka in it, you know? So it just kind of reminds me of like vacation vibes, chilling out. So I think it's super cute because it says Cat Mom on it, but then also the scent is spot on me, so I did pick it up. So this is an item that Ben picked out. Mama Sankey, if you're watching this, like, just total your son vibes, but he saw this in the clearance section, and we recently picked up a giant floaty to use at the pool before COVID hit. And then there's only 8 people allowed in our pool at any time. And if one family or 2 families go, you can forget it. Like, they don't let anyone in the pool. So we can't even use our floaty. But he saw this and he handed it to me in the clearance section. And it says, I'm sorry for my skin. And it's a giant flamingo floaty. And he said, this just looks really cute. And I said, it does. And these are SOS Jelly Mask Soothing, like single-use masks. And it was just so cute. I had to get it. So here's one of the masks here. It's all in a different language. It just says SOS Save Your Skin on the back, and it says how to wear it. You wear it for 10 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna pop these in the fridge and do it on a day where maybe I've had a little bit too much sun. But I thought they were so cute, and they definitely remind me of Ben, so I absolutely love them, and I had to get them. They were $4.50. and there's at least 5, maybe 6 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. So they were less than $1 a piece. Amazing find, Ben. Okay, so I have 2 very high-end items that we found, and then I have 1 kind of drugstore item that I found. So this is the e.l.f. Color correcting palette. I use this every day. Here's my current one. You can see I've definitely hit pan on this green one here, but mainly I just use the green one to cover up any redness or any like sunburn, any blemishes, anything like that. But this one was $2 again. It's less than what I would pay at Walgreens or CVS for it, and I don't care if I just use the 1 shade or if I use all the shades, but we found that, so snatched it up. And then the 2 really big finds. So we found a Kevyn Aucoin. I found quite a few products of Kevyn Aucoin's at TJMAXX, and I noticed on some of the YouTubers, like Paige Karen, she does TJMAXX hauls as well, had been mentioning Kevyn Aucoin's products, which are typically very pricey at TJMAXX. And so I saw like his contour palette, that looked really nice. But I found this Neo blush in the shade Rose Cliff. So this is the box here, but it says, we're bringing Cheeky back with this innovative Neo blush trio, pearl and satin finishes mixed with pure pigments for depth and dimension. It's a microfine pressed powder. It's finely fresh for a smooth, even application. Use each shade individually or swirl the colors together for the perfect flush. So I have to show you this. I saw it and I said, yup, getting that. It was $8, so $7.99, but you can just tell. So it's got a mirror in the pan, and then we've got the Kevyn Aucoin kind of shade range here. We've got like more of a bronzy, pink, and then peachy. So I feel like I can, it's a golden kind of rose toned, almost like a palette here. I can swirl them all together. I can kind of go in one side if I want to stick to that, but I am just super excited. I'm not even gonna swatch it yet because I just want to do like a full first impression when I'm doing my makeup with a Get Ready With Me. But the mirrors to die for. I feel like this is one that I could even put in my my purse to kind of take overnight if we go somewhere, which isn't happening anytime soon. But that was a steal and a good find. This one, this is big, y'all. So this is the Laneige water sleeping mask, and any of you guys that shop at Sephora know that this is probably $45–50. I don't know, but I'll find out how much it normally is. It was normally $20 at TJMAXX, but it's on sale for $15. I do not need a mask. I am very aware. But if something that is as high end as this is and as costly as this is on sale, and it's just sitting on this shelf all by itself, look at this beautiful packaging. I have the Laneige lip masks, and this is the water sleeping mask, which I've heard amazing reviews about, but I was just never willing to bite the bullet and pay full price. And guess what? TJMAXX made it so I didn't have to. So it is fully sealed, which was another reason I was okay with buying it. You know, $15 at TJMAXX is like the same price as some of those potted plants and some of the really functional home things, but that is a true steal. So I'm really excited. If you have a TJMAXX by you, they're carrying some Laneige products. So go check it out. Even if you don't pick anything up, like, it is worth stopping in to see what they have. They had Anastasia Beverly Hills and Stila. They've always had those. But the fact that they had Laneige and some Kevyn Aucoin, I feel like there's some really good things in there. There was a whole lot of Hello Spring stuff, which is obviously because, you know, they were closed during the very beginning of the COVID situation. So I think that a lot of things are on sale. You can pick up a lot of things at a great price right now. So I'd say if you're gonna go anywhere, if you're gonna risk it, then go to TJMAXX, because you'll probably find a lot of really great stuff with savings, and I'm all about that life. So that's all I have for today. Thanks so much for tuning in. I've loved having you here. Hopefully you liked this TJMAXX haul. I know it's the first one, but if you liked it, please comment down below and I can try and do more. Like I said, I'm probably shifting into checking out TJMAXX more frequently than some of the Sephora hauls or even Ulta, just because of my wah experience with Ulta. But yeah, I hope you're all having a great week, and I hope you're all staying safe, and feel free to comment your latest pickup from TJ Maxx. I would love to hear that down below. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'd love to have you back here. We have lots of fun, and I love getting to know you guys. So thanks so much for joining. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. Can't talk today. And I will see you next time. Bye.